Welcome back to the garage, everyone. Today we got something a little different, a little more to the engine bay, because, you know, I'm never done with that engine bay. I gotta find it, because I just had it. Alright, so what we have today, it's called the dipstick. Probably won't zoom in on it. It's called the dipstick. Now, it's a replacement handle for our dipstick, so we can get rid of that ugly yellow one, because it doesn't match anything. So we're going to be replacing that today. I'm going to do something to that. Probably not in this video, but I'm going to put a little ST badge right there. That's got to go. And we also have the taillights back on the car, so at the end of the video, stay tuned. I'll show you what that looks like. I'll put the four-ways on. It's pretty cool. I thought it was interesting for $30 mod that was cheap, but we're going to get into this dipstick handle, so we got to go get the one off the car and fiddle around with it. Alright, so we're going to clean this off. That way we can replace the handle. We're going to use everything else on here. So we'll just give this a good wipe down. Make sure we don't get anything from the table on here. Alright, so the first things that we have to do is we got to get that pin out. It did come with a replacement pin, but we have to get that one out. So in this little box, and this is the new handle, by the way. This is from Craven Speed. I'll put a link down below. I'll put a picture right here. But I kind of jumped on it. They said they had one left, but this is pretty much what it's going to be. But for right now, we need to get this Allen wrench out because we got to pop this little key out so that we can put the handle on the stick. Right, to get this little pin out, we're just going to utilize our pliers, this Allen key, and this hammer, and we're just going to pound it out. Alright, we got the handle off. We're going to clean it off a little bit. We do have to prep the new one. The way this works is it's going to pinch onto the stick and then it'll screw into the handle. But we basically just got to reverse what we did. Alright, we got the spring pin almost all the way in. We're going to put the stick in there, line it up the best that we can. And hopefully it'll pinch right in. Alright, so we have our pin in. Straighten that out. And then conveniently came with our own Allen key. So we're going to get that started in the handle. And slide that into there. Hopefully it lines up, and we should just be able to tighten it and put it back in the car. And there we have it. And then if you have OCD like I do, you want to make sure it's lined up so that it says Craven Speed up front, or you can just turn it and call it good. We're going to clean our dipstick back off and then go put it back in the car. And look at that. It fits perfectly. Not that you can really read what it says, but I like it. It blends in. I think it's way better than that yellow one. That's something quick, easy, fits into our cheap installations. Now I'm going to show you my taillights before we end this video because I'm obsessed with them. It took me forever, but it was cheap. So I'll set you guys up, or I'll be right back. So this is what I have always wanted. We now have sequential turn signals on both sides of the car. I do have to polish them up. They are a little scratched up. I hope you guys enjoy these quick little videos. I also got new floor mats that actually fit perfectly. They're Not WeatherTech, but same thing. I mean, they're all laser measured. But we have sequential taillights. But I'll catch you guys in the next video. We do have some stuff coming up. We always have stuff coming up. Whether it's cheap, small, quick, it doesn't matter. We do have some things coming up in the pipeline. There are some car shows coming up in March, so gonna get the car out a little earlier than I thought, but we're just gonna keep it clean, keep it washed, put it back in the garage when we need to. But I'll catch you guys in the next video.